This describes someone who is Caucasian, who's white, and probably from Northern Europe. Yeah, it's a I probably have a bit of a When I hear this, I think of like people burning in the sunlight. People who have to wear loads of sun cream if they're going on holiday to somewhere that's really warm because their skin's not prepared to deal with all the UV rays. They're just going to burn up because generally people with a come from countries that don't get as much sunlight or aren't as warm as somewhere closer to the equator or closer to the center of the earth. But can you guess what it is I'm talking about? Yeah, it's a fair complexion. Someone with a fair complexion, well, they're white, they're Caucasian, probably, and they don't handle the sun very well. They're probably going to burn to a crisp in North Africa or Africa. Think Scandinavia, that's a fair complexion. But what jumps to my head with fair complexion is like maybe French, German, rather than the really northern areas. It's maybe it's a little darker than a very light complexion, but still Caucasian, still white, still doesn't handle the sun very well and needs to wear loads of sun cream when they're out bathing in it. Can you guess? No, you don't need to, because it's a fair complexion.